Voice clear? All those who have not come later, if they come, if they don't understand, it is their problem. Okay, I'll start. Very few. Coming after some time and then telling this is not clear, that is not clear, their problem. I already told. And remember, this is a continuation class. All the previous classes, if you study, then only you understand. Suddenly come to one class, because why? Now I am not wasting time on unnecessary things. I wrote today very important example. I'll tell you why. This is a practical case. See, I'll give the question here. Somewhere here, I'll give question. Just note down the question. I'll dictate. A simply supported steel girder. See, there's a steel girder which is simply supported. Has a span of 12 meter. 12, correct? Yes, 12 meter. It is designed for UDL of, see, so far in Macaulay's method, we have not taken UDL. We are taking only point load. UDL of 40 kilonewton per meter, including self weight. And over the entire span, I will take the supports A and B. And 2 point loads. One of the load is quite near to the support. First point load, 360. This 360 I have taken so that when I calculate the values of reaction and constants, the change will not come. 0.333 I am avoiding. 360 kilonewton at 3 meter from left end. Other load is somewhat near center. 180 kilonewton at 5 meter from right end. See, this load is heavier load. This is lighter load. But for bending and shear, this is severe compared to that load by virtue of the what? UDL is same by virtue of the magnitude. This is more severe, but by virtue of position, this is near the support. This effect will give more shear force, whereas this 180 is near to center. So by position, this is important. So combined of these two, you cannot tell what will happen. Okay, now UDL of 40 kN per meter, it is a working load. Remember, it is a working load over entire span. Then point load of 360 kilonewton and 180 kilonewton. 360 at 3 from left end, 180 at 5 from right end. It is told steel beam. Remember, it is told steel beam. Remember, steel. Then that is usually fabricated steel. The cross section of the beam, actually what I have done is, I found the maximum BM. I have given a practical example. I found maximum BM equal to 1712.8125. I don't know what is 29.33. I forgot. Some number. Okay. I got 1712.8125 bending moment for working load. I factored that load and then provided a I section for the beam, that is flanges and web fabricated, not RSJ, not ISMB like that, because even the highest RSJ available is not sufficient. It's a very heavy girder. So the section, the requirement of cross section is very high, so fabricated section. So I will tell further in the question. For you, no. For you in the question is, it is already told material is steel. Then cross section of the beam is I section of flanges 400 mm by 32 mm, means width 400, thickness 32, and web of thickness 12 mm, and depth of web is 800 millimeter. Okay, so this is 32, this is 32, 800. So overall depth will become, you to 800, you add these two, you get 864. This is the cross section. Okay, now those who are interested, I will tell what I have done. Not much time. Just now I got it, 5 minutes earlier, cross section. See, what I have done is, I found the plastic section modulus required. MD equal to beta B ZP FY by gamma MO. And I found the plastic section modulus required. Requirement came, where is it? I wrote some Somewhere I wrote, I don't know. Anyway, you don't bother. 11,304.56 10 to the power 3 millimeter cube. Then I fixed the depth of web based on approximately span by around 15. So that is 800 millimeter. Thickness I assumed 12 so that web is not susceptible to shear buckling. D by TW is not more than 67 epsilon. Then I found plastic section modulus of the web. I found how much ZP is still required by flanges. For that one, I assumed width of flange 400, around span by 40. Okay, then thickness of flange, I required flange thickness of 29.33. How means if you know steel structures, you will be knowing it. Those who know steel structures, requirement is 29.33, so I provided little more. I provided 32 mm. Then I checked for shear. Then shear strength came okay. I checked for high shear, low shear. Then I found bending strength. Yes, bending strength is found to be little more than the required strength. For this beam, whatever factored maximum BM comes, the design bending strength is little more. So satisfied. Then if it is a steel beam, you are designed for shear and bending. These all steel structures. I told for those who know steel structures. Others simply take material is steel, cross section is there. Over. Material is steel, cross section is there. That's all. Now, anybody can tell. Then one important check you have to apply. What is the check? Those who know it. One important check you have to apply. What is the check required? For design of beams. One check required. If nobody is there, what I can do? People are so lazy to come live and then tell what is the check required. Bending, shear, both are safe. I found it. Our class is what? Deflection of beams. Or I will tell, next always you have to check for deflection. The maximum deflection should not exceed the permissible limit. I roughly calculated maximum deflection. Roughly I calculated. How you don't bother? And I found out that it is very much within the limit. Therefore, this beam is safe. Web crippling, web juggling also I know it is going to be safe. Therefore, this beam is okay. You can go ahead. Now, for you, in strength of materials, question is what? For today's class, these are all information for those who know steel design. Now, our question for our today's class is simply support beam of span 12 meter. We are covering UDL and point load. See, I will cover with 2 point load. If it is only 1 point load, work is easier. Homework. Little later, not now. Little later, I will give homework. Series of homework for you. A simple support beam of effective span 12 meter loaded by UDL of 40 kN per meter and 2 point load. I already told you where. Over. Find, see, in the question, the material is steel and also given cross section is this one. I told in the words just now. Little earlier, I told the cross section in the words. So seeing the words, write the cross section. See, find, I will tell you, 1. I won't write here. You write 1. Slope and deflection. Slope and deflection. See, this is 1. 1. Then 2 and 3. Second and third. 1. Slope and deflection under the load points here and here. I will do one thing. This point I will take C. This point I will take D. Slope and deflection under the load point, that is at C and D, and also at center of the beam. Reason, the deflection at center will be very nearly equal to Y maximum. That is for checking purpose. Okay, then next, second one, that is 1. Second one, maximum slope for the beam. 3, most important today's class, maximum deflection for the beam. Now, for a good thorough grip, solve the question by both alternative. Once you take left hand origin, once you take right hand origin. I will take one of them here, other I will give homework for you. Or briefly I will solve. Not this much I will not write. I will read in the class, you should write, solve it. Answer will perfectly come. Okay, start. Solution, first step. Do one thing. First find support reaction. You have to find. So right here, this reaction VB, this reaction VA. Take moment about A, get VB, sigma V0, get VA. Your VB will come 435 kilonewton, VA will come 585 kilonewton. Okay. You can make out VA came much more than VB because heavy load near A. Okay. Then reactions are over. Remember, reaction calculation is based on equilibrium. No hogging, sagging. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, upward, downward. Reactions over. Okay, next step. Do one thing. Now, you solve by taking first A origin and then B origin. But before that, make a note. Before that, make a note. Before you start solving, you make a note. Okay. I'll remove this one now. This crippling, buckling, all. Maximum, how much I told? 171. It's there if I require it. Because later I will draw the BMD SFD also for this beam. For some reason. Okay, now. ZP required. Who want it? I provided. Then, first you write, reactions are over. Support reactions over. Then, before you start solving by double integration method, first write, we will solve in kilonewton and meter units. Kilonewton and meter units. Therefore, later we need EI value also in the same unit, that is in kilonewton meter square. You need EI also in kilonewton meter square. This if I tell further, it will be offense. Why? Told 1000 times. Okay, start. Given in the question. Material is steel. So you can take E equal to 200 10 to the power 3 MPa or 2 10 to the power of MPa. MPa means Newton per mm square. Or you do one thing. You write in the question. You write, imagine as if in the question it is given, take E equal to 200 10 to the power 3 or 2 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. E over. Now, cross section is given. Therefore, you find, I am not finding, you find moment of inertia of cross section about neutral axis, elastic neutral axis, which is exactly here, or you can call x-axis axis. Okay. Where is x-axis? Exactly mid height. Okay. Enjoy the calculation. Your I will come, see, you will get I equal to 4944.42 10 to the power 6 millimeter power 4. This is the value of I you are going to get. Now, or you can imagine in the question section is not given. That also possible. In the question told E is 200 GPa, that is 200 10 to the power 3 MPa, and I equal to 4944.42 10 to the power 6 millimeter power 4. Then find all these things. Okay, start. Now, therefore, you see E is in Newton per mm square. I is mm power 4. But we want EI in kilonewton meter square. Therefore, get EI. I already explained thoroughly in the whatever given unit, substitute correctly and bring it down to 884 kilonewton meter square. That is the EI value. Remember, I write here EI equal to, so that later who will struggle? 884 kilonewton meter square for the cross section. Data over. Okay, now all I will remove now. Everything I will remove. Start. Now go for solution. I write start here. This all I will remove now. Nothing required. Even cross section also not required now. Why? Everything is over. See. Now start. Solution. Now continue. Continue for double integration method or Macaulay's method. Okay, now solution 1. first solution. Right here, let us consider, you write A as origin. A as origin. Okay. Let us consider A as origin. Remember, I want red color for origin as usual, because origin is always red color. Let us consider A as, see, A is actually black color, A as origin. I will make it red round off, origin. And consider section XX between, if you take A origin, section should be between the last 2 points between D and B at X from origin A. Right, needs get now. See, enter now, then go there. Where means go there, here. Come here, then come here. Okay. Go there, come right there, go there, not go there, you write below. Enter the reaction, section XX here, section is taken here at XX. Write equation for BM at XX, MX, sagging positive. And remember, make a note, I will not tell. Left end origin, Leo, not some Leo brand. Left end origin. Therefore, slope theta is anti-clockwise positive. I will stop this one. I will not waste time next time onwards. It is told 1000 times. Okay, start. Mx equal to, correct order, 585 into x positive minus 40 into x by 2. As you come here, next you get 360 into x minus 3 minus 180 into x minus 7. Remember, x minus 7 equal to ei d square y by dx square. These two steps I should not explain now. Once time over, second time over, third time over, fourth time over, fifth time over. Integrate, second time integrate. You require, then now you need constants of to go. Okay, now go there, not here, go there. Go there means somewhere here. See, to get, I'll come here, to get constants of integration C1 and C2. Use boundary condition. The beam is like this. This is A, this is B. Our origin is A. X is measured from here. And this beam will bend something like this. So, at A, deflection is 0. At B, deflection is 0. Remember, start. Deflection at A equal to 0. Therefore, Y becomes 0 for X equal to 0. Substitute. You get, I will tell you. Substitute where? If you take bus ticket, go to bus station. Railway ticket means railway station. If you want deflection condition, deflection equation. If you want slope condition, slope equation. You cannot consider deflection and use a slope equation. Okay, start. Substitute in the deflection equation. I am not writing. I got a better work to do than writing every day now onwards. 0 equal to 0 plus C2 plus 0, stop. When you put x equal to, stop here, 0. 0 minus 3 is negative, that's all. Stop here. You will get C2 equal to 0. C2 equal to 0. Then, next condition, y at b equal to 0. That is, y becomes 0 for x equal to 12 meter. Substitute. 0 equal to x equal 12 meter. So this also I am not telling. Which term you have to stop, which one you should not consider. Told endless number of times. Anybody newcomer, suddenly you will tell, why not considered? Leave the class. I will tell same way, leave my class. Study from first class and come here. 0 equal to C1 into 12, C2 already 0, 58.5 into 12 cube by 6, 40 into 12 power 4 by 24, 360 into 12 minus 3 is plus 9, 9 cube by 6, 180 into 12 minus 7 is 5 cube by 6. You will get the value of C1. Correctly get the value of C1. Okay. You get the value of C1. Okay. With sign. Now, once again go back there. Here. So, therefore, You got C1, you got C2. Tell me C1, C2. Okay, now. Oh, this is not required. Already over. This is already over. EI all. Already over. Okay, now, C1, C2 over. Now you got work. Start. What all they want? Calculate, first question, first part. Calculation of slope and deflection under loads at C and D, under loads and also at center. Center, say points are CD, center I will call E, new name E. Okay, start. Consider C. If you want slope and deflection, see you are right here. This is C, this is D. If you want slope and deflection at C, put x equal 3 meter. Substitute, when you put x equal 3 meter, see, this term will be 0. Next term is not applicable. You substitute, I will tell theta, see how much will come. See, first you get theta with the sign, then anti-clockwise positive. You will get minus value. You should get it. The way I saw it earlier, when you substitute theta c will come minus 4750 anti-clockwise. But therefore, theta c equal to 4750 by EI radian. Deflection will come 11110. Substitute x equal to 3 in slope equation, deflection equation. Then substitute the value of EI in kilonewton meter square. Theta comes in radian, deflection comes in meter. That radian convert to degree, that meter convert to millimeter. Over. Consider D. Substitute x equal to 7 meter. See, 7 meter means this term becomes 0. Get theta and y. You do it. Over. Consider center E. Put x equal to 6 meter. Get the value of theta at center and y at center. Then, second question, second part. Maximum slope. Simply supported beam bends this way. Maximum slope will be at supports. You should write theta A or theta B. Substitute x equal to 0, get theta A. Substitute x equal to 12, get theta B. Theta A came 7202.5. Theta B came 6567.5. Therefore, maximum slope is at A 7202.5 by EI radian, that is convert to degrees. Now important, all over, last important, next is to get Y maximum. You write correctly, maximum deflection. Maximum deflection. Okay. Start. That is Y maximum. First, see, where Y is maximum, symmetry is not there. Natural bending. See, beam will naturally bend. Most likely that Y max will be near center between C and D. So, right here, most likely, or almost to say 99.99%, I am sure. But if the load is somewhere here, then you should think. Look, see the elastic curve. Beam will bend this way. Oh, somewhere here. Most likely, Y max will be between what? C and D. C and D. Okay. Now, let Y max be at a point X, unknown point X, comma, at X from origin A. X from origin A. Origin A. As shown. See, we don't know where. See, this is the beam. This is the UDL. This is a point load here C. One more point load here D. Your beam will most probably will deflect like this. So somewhere here Y maximum point is X at X from here. And this is your Y maximum. Actually, this is your Yx. This is your Y at X equal to Y maximum. Okay. Now, all I told, where Y is maximum, draw a tangent, slope theta at x0. Therefore, write, you should write, at the point of Y maximum, slope theta equal to 0. Therefore, and one more thing, our x is considered where? Considered between C and D. Therefore, your x value should be what? More than 3 meter, less than 7 meter. It should be more than 3 meter. This also over less than 7 meter. Therefore, equate theta x to 0 for x range required. See, when you use the equation, you should know which terms are non-applicable. For x more than 3 meter but less than 7 meter. Then, see here, 0 equal to C1. C1 you should calculate, but I know the value of C1. Why bother? C1 is C1 minus 7 to 0 2.5. I know the C1. Okay. Minus 7 to 0 2.5 is C1 plus 585 into x square by 2. It is there. X square by 2 minus, continue, 40 into x cube by 6. Remember, this is a cubic equation. See, here x square, there x cube by 6. Again minus 360, I'll put here, 360 into, board visible, into x minus 3. Yes, since your x is more than 3 meter, x minus 3 is applicable. X minus 3 what? X minus 3 square by 2. Square by 2. Now you should stop. Board visible? Board fully visible or not? Have I gone outside by chance? Have I gone outside? Illa, I am not outside. Stop. Make a note here. The next term is 180 into x minus 7. Since your x is less than 7 meter, this term will not come. Stop here. Now, solving, get the value of x. Now you should tell, I will take rest now. Till you give the x, I will not continue the question. Get the value of x. Remember, how to solve? It is a cubic equation. Point load means quadratic. This is a cubic, nothing to worry. In the calculator, feed this equation. You write this equation as it is. See, minus 7202.5 plus 585 into x square by 2 minus 40 into x cube by 6 minus etc. equal to 0. You write equal to 0. Solve. You tell solve. It will give the value of x. Tell me the value of x. That x value, if it comes more than 3 meter, less than 7 meter, our assumption is correct, confirmed. At that point, we will find the deflection. Therefore, now it is for you to get the value of x. When you give the value of x, I will continue. Start. Correctly get me x value. Then lastly, for this question, I will draw loading diagram, shearing force diagram, bending moment diagram, below elastic curve with all the values, and I will tell you, if you go to software and prepare the model, I will tell you, you can check all these values. I will tell you how to solve this by software also, if you are learning software. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, start. Get me the x value. Some 5 minute time required for me. Correctly get me x value. Nobody, not much live. Because he repeatedly I am telling everybody, come live and attend. Nobody comes live. All are lazy. Sorry, I should use that word. Lazy, not serious. Those, but even if one person serious, sufficient for me. Now, because one person means if you give wrong answer, helpless. So there should be more people. Whatever I tell, that habit has gone, coming live. Earlier, when the offline class, if they don't come to the class, they miss the class. There also I have seen people not coming regularly. Whatever is there. Usually in the beginning they come. Later, slowly, They stop coming. Why? In the beginning spirit, online means ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರೋನಿಗೆ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ. ವೈ? They will think, I will watch later. That tendency of you to watch later, what happens is, running of the class, it affects. If more people are there live, at least some 15-20 live are there, comment will keep on coming. I will be more interested. Not that I am not interested now. It will motivate to give more information. Okay, start. Get the value of x. Okay. I wait for some time till your x value comes. Don't give wrong value because check is there. When you solve from other side, x should tally. X will not come same. It should. When you solve from other side, other distance will come. Deflection should come same. Now 1 minute. I will take 5 minutes break. How much you got? 5 point, I don't know. He told 5.84 ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. 5.84 ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. 365 meters ಇರಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. Okay, now then I will complete it now. Okay, complete. Therefore, ನೋಡಿ now this value of x you got is more than 3 and less than 7. Therefore, correct. You write here. Right means the conclusion that y max will take place here is correct. I put a mic on. So that I put the mic on. Because I complete the question. Lastly, I will complete. Correct. Now, lastly, confirm. Substitute x equal to 5.84365 meter in where? In where means I will not tell. In deflection equation, you get EI y max equal to substitute C1 into x plus C2. This term is there, this term is there, this term is there. Why? 5.84 minus positive. This term is not there. Remember, x minus 7 is not there. Substitute and tell me the value. It will become minus. Tell me how much is the value. Okay, start. Now, those who are, now tell me what is the value, type it. It has to come more than deflection at center. See, center is 25935. That is at 6 meter. 5.84 is very near to center. But anyway, it is maximum. It has to come slightly more than 25935. Why? Otherwise, theory is wrong. See, central point deflection is how much? 25935 by EI. Since it is the maximum, it should come slightly more, or practically I will tell you later. What people do is, they won't struggle this much. They will find central deflection and tell, and y max will be slightly more. They increase around, actually around 1% more will come. Safer side, they increase by around 5%. Because all these people will not do practically. If you do manual design, they will find deflection at center is easier. Why? Substitute x equals 6 meter. And then, or if you prepare model by E-tabs, it will give y maximum. But you have to give material property E and sectional property I. You have to create that section. In the E-tab class, I will tell you how to create that I section. Or at that time, I will take same example. See, rain started. So 5 minutes break for me. Okay, start. Rain started, 5 minutes break. Wrong. Not possible. Because it will be very near to this one. The deflection is very, very near to this one. 25935. Maybe 26. Not possible. No. See elastic curve. Central deflection, maximum. They are almost same. Is the voice clear? Okay, is the voice clear? Rain, okay, we'll continue. Is the voice clear? If voice is clear, we'll continue. No problem. Those who are studying seriously, disturbance does not matter. Shoky. For shoky people, it matters. Those who are serious, the disturbance does not matter. As long as you hear clearly. No, not possible. Otherwise, this is wrong. No, that means something wrong here. 1 minute now. That means something wrong here. No. Yes. 43465, 466.46 is correct. If that is correct, something wrong here. I will check it. I will check everything. Everything I will check. Oh yes, this is wrong. See, this is wrong. 4, 4, that is 4, 3. Not possible. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Not possible. I'll check again. Four 880. 44880. No. Then this X value is wrong. This X is wrong. Check the X value once again. Check the X value once again. No. Center is 44880. and maximum is 4.3. Impossible. Impossible. I will check remaining values. This is correct. I will check this one. This is correct. And I check D. D I check. Two 4,816. That is at what? That is also correct. Then the X is wrong. Oh. Okay. 25935. Where deflection center is C1. Plus 25935. It is coming 25935. Where? Here. 6 meter. 5.8. No. This is 25935. Divided by 20.226. Now it comes. Yes. 955.9. See, very nearly equal, but slightly more. See, 25935 is center. That is very near to maximum deflection. But still, maximum is even more. Center is 25935. That is 25955. Now correct? Okay. I told you, my class mistake is possible only calculation. Technically, if I tell this should come slightly more, it should come slightly more only. If say very little more, minutely more. Okay. Therefore, I will write here y max equal to 25955.9 by EI meter down at 5.84365 meter from A. Fully clear? Tell me. Fully clear or not? First. Solution. Fully clear? No. Completely clear or not? Okay. See, as I told earlier, in my class, only chance of mistake is calculation or some overwriting. See, 58.5. I don't know why I wrote it. By mistake, writing print mistake or calculation mistake possible. Human being. Technical mistake cannot come. If I tell y max should be slightly more than this value, it has to come more. No beam in the world can give me different answer. Impossible. See, I was not under panic. I was getting irritated, no doubt. Why? Because these mistakes makes irritation. It creates irritation. But it will not create desperation or helplessness or confusion. Nothing. Little irritation. What is this? Somewhere wrong. See, rain is coming. Okay, now. Correctly see now. Start. Solution 2. Start fresh now. Solution 2. 1 minute. Voice fully clear. It's very heavy rain. No. Voice very clear. Heavy rain going on. Oh, horrible this rain. Okay, then I'll continue. Okay, see. Let us consider B as origin. See now. Take B origin. I will come back here. B origin. X will go this way. Then this will go. This will be ordinary point A. B origin consider B as origin and take section XX between C and A at X from origin at B. Okay, start. BM at XX. Plus 435 into X minus 40 into x is the total load into x by 2 becomes 40x square by 2. Minus 180 into x. Oh, see. Now you should write 5 meter. All marking should be from there. 9 meter and 12 meter. Minus 180 into x minus 5. Minus 360 into x minus 9 equal to EI d square y by dx square. Note also right hand origin, therefore theta is clockwise positive. Start. EI theta x, but this time clockwise positive. C1 plus, I'll write once again here. C1 plus 435 into x square by 2 minus 40 into x cube by 6 minus 180 into 6 is black x minus 5 whole square by 2 minus 360 into x minus 9 square by 2 is the slope equation. But rain correctly come to the class only. C1x plus C2 plus 435 into x square x cube by 6 minus 40 into x power 4 by 24 minus 180 into x minus 5 cube by 6 minus 360 into x minus 9 is black x minus 9 cube by 6 deflection equation. Okay, now go there to get constant C1, C2. Now origin is B. B is the origin, x here. Start from there. Deflection at B equal to 0. Therefore, y is 0 for x equal to 0. Substitute. 0, 0, C2, 0, 0. Stop. C2 will become 0. Then y at A0. Y becomes 0 for x equal to 12 meter. Substitute. 0 equal to C1 into 12, C2 0, 12 cube by 6, 12 power 4 by 24, 12 minus 5 is 7 cube by 6, 12 minus 9 is 3 cube by 6. You will get your C1 equal to minus 6567.5. Your C1 will come minus 6567. So remember, C1 equal to minus 6567.5 and C2 equal to 0. Okay, next. Now start. Calculation of slope and deflection at C. For C, put x equal to 9 meter. Answer is same. Whether you take A origin or B origin, answer is same. To get slope and deflection at D, put x equal to 5 meter. Same answer. To get center, x equal to 6 meter. Same answer. Maximum slope, theta max. To get theta A, put x equal to 12 meter. It will come same answer. To get theta B, put x equal to 0. Same answer. Y maximum, everything same. Between not C and D, between D and C. Between D and C. You make fair copy. Between D and C. Then D and C. So your x should be more than 5 meter, less than 9 meter. X is more than 5 meter, less than 9 meter. Then start. At the point E, slope equal to 0, x from B. X from B, not A. X from B. Equate theta x0 for x more than 5 meter. When I want black, black is not coming. More than 5 meter, x more than, but less, x more than 5 meter and less than 9 meter. None of them are writing. Right time. Okay. Now, same theory. Equate theta to 0 for x more than 5 meter, less than 9 meter. See. 0 equal to C1. I will put here once again. Okay. 0 equal to C1 minus 67.5 plus 435 into x square by 2 minus 40 into x cube by 6 minus 180 into x minus 5 whole square by 2. Stop there. Since x is less than 9 meter, this term will not come. Solve. Your x will come. X will, my guarantee. How much x will come? Tell me how much it should come. From left side I got 5.84365. Tell me how much it should come from right hand. Tell the answer. How much it should come from right hand? How much? It has to come. Tell me how much it should come from right hand. I got from left side 5.84365. Tell me how much from right hand it should come. Fast, fast. From right hand it should come. You are wasting time. From right hand it has to come. There is no other way. Fast, fast. Answer. How much x should come from right hand? Because that point will remain there only. You are unnecessarily wasting time. How? See, not answering. This way to give response, difficult to take the class. It is very difficult to take the class. If this way you show response, not giving the values when asked for, what to do? I will wait for some time and close the class. And this question I leave as it is. The further things I will not write. I told I will continue and write many things where you can solve by software. But if you don't give the answer, I am going to stop the class. That's all. I will wait for 2 minutes and stop the class. Nothing can be done. Is this much time? 6.15 365 6.15 365. How 365? How 365? When it is 5.84 365 from here, how it is 6.56 365? How it is 365? What is this calculator? How it can come 365? I don't know what is happening to mathematics. How it can come 365? When from left side 5.84 365, from right side, how it can come 365? Sorry, if you give such a wrong answer, nonsense answer. How 365? See, how much time is wasted. Okay, I will conclude. 635. 635. How 645? How 645? If it is 5.84 what is the mathematics? Five 6.15635. Again you make mistake. 145. How it is 45? How 15645? I don't know where all you get this idea from. How it is 645? No, sorry. I give value to mathematics. It cannot happen that way. How it is 645? No. How it is 645? I want answer no. How it is possible? If you don't answer, I am stopping the class. How you wrote 645? If this is correct, see, how it is 645? I am asking. It does not matter. Small error. No, I give value to mathematics. 6.15, 645. There also special idea. You looked at the value and without calculator made a mistake. See, such mistake should not happen. How you told 645? No answer. Then I am stopping the class. Okay, I can't do anything. If the answer is not given, and even if there is a lag, you can give the answer in WhatsApp. If it is 645, then completely gone. It is impossible. Impossible means impossible. I don't know what is happening. What is happening to mathematics first of all? Where is the mathematical knowledge? When it is 5.84365 from left hand. How you got 6.15635? Let me see which is that mathematics. Sorry, I give value to mathematics. Such things should not happen. See how much time we are losing for no reason. See, no, you should not do it. When the ending is 365, 65, 100 rupees, spend 65, then 35 rupees remains, not 45 rupees. Yes, see, when the ending is 65 here, alternative should be 35. It comes to naturally to the mind. Okay, what to do? $635. Okay, now what to? 635 meter. Okay, now see, which is what? Therefore, your x is more than 5 meter, less than 9 meter. Therefore, correct. Now, substitute x equal to 6.15635 meter in deflection equation. 100% you are going to get same deflection. Check it fast. You are going to get same deflection. Check it fast. 100% you are going to get the same answer. Check fast. Check fast. 100% you will get same answer at 6.15635. By chance, when I change the answers, if any number is missing, you correct it. I see, I told x from b now. By chance, if anything is forgotten to erase, you change it. Answer has to come same. Check fast. Check fast and check the answer. Substitute. Substitute x value and see how much it comes. Fast. Minus 25955.9. Minus 25955.9 by EI. Correct answer? Oh, I forgot millimeter last time. Or that is, I forgot last time how much millimeter. See, center is 20.2265. Let me see how much millimeter there. How much millimeter there? 25955.9 divided by 25955.9 divided by 988884 into 1000. Something wrong. 259, how much it is? 98. 988884. It is not 20. See, when I wrote here, it is not 20. See, light problem. It is actually, remember, 26.22653 millimeter. Correction. Because the light 6 looked like 0 to me. Now it is coming 25955.9 divided by 26.24, slightly more, 26.24767. That is almost 22.23 millimeter, 22.25 millimeter, 0.02 millimeter more compared center. Okay. Now, correctly answer came. You are not told anything also to me. I told something else I will give you so that you can model in software. Because you wasted lot of time. Tomorrow I will write here. Here I will write beam, SFD, BMD, elastic curve with the deflection. Later, using software, prepare a model and check the answer. Agreed? Fast. Agreed or not? Tomorrow I will write. Because now it already 9 o'clock. Agreed? I think some problem for chatting. Agreed or not? Tomorrow I will write that extra information required for software. That also no reply. Okay, if you don't reply, what I can do? If reply only not comes, nobody wants to come live. I should stop these YouTube classes. I should go to Zoom only. People should regret. Class which is going to be clear, he stopped because in YouTube because of you should think, they should think their problem. Okay, what to do? This new generation, that problem, nobody can do anything. You cannot drag, you cannot make people to attend the class seriously. You are all are lazy for that one. Okay, stop the class. With regret I will tell. One fine day, people will regret for that one. Oh, I should have studied thoroughly.